Hi friends, this is Prabhat for TechBSD. As you can see that today I have the OnePlus 6 for unboxing. The color I have is mirror black and it is a 64 GB variant with 6 GB of RAM. You can see that the Qualcomm Snapdragon. So it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, which is the highest available SoC from the Snapdragon. So the price mentioned here is 34,999, but I bought it for somewhere around 3,000 rupees, and the model number is OnePlus A600. The box is pretty clean, you can see that only the 6 is mentioned here and OnePlus 6 is here. So now let's open it. It's pretty simple. Let me cut it from all the four sides so it will be easy to take it out. That's it. So guys, this is my first phone with the notch. As we all know that the OnePlus 6 is having the notch. On the top you get the phone itself, you can see that. Let me take it side, put it here, and after that you have the charging cable, which is a type C as usual, and you also get the dash charger, which is very much popular. So yeah, so that's it in the box, and the charger rating is, can see that it's a 5 watt 4 ampere charger. So that dash charger you get with the OnePlus. So let me keep it side for the time being and show you the actual phone. Okay, so you can see that this is the OnePlus 6. Let me keep it side and show you the documentation. Yeah, we got okay. So we got the one cover also. Let me take it out for, yeah. So now it's empty. You can see that we got a PU protective case, which is our transparent color. So how our phone will gonna look like when we have the case on. You can see that it will look like this only, so you can use it. Not, let me just take it out. Okay, yeah. So about the documentation, we have the usual documentation like warranty statement, safety information, and some stickers from the OnePlus. I'm gonna put it aside, and we also have the SIM ejector tool, which I'm gonna show you. So talking about the phone, you get the notch on the top. You can see that here it is the notch, and we're talking about the bottom. We have the USB Type C, 3.5mm jack, and micro USB. Sorry, this is the mic, and you have the speaker on the bottom. On the right side you got the power button and mute unmute slider. On the top you have the extra mic for noise cancellation. On the left you have the SIM tray. Sorry, you have the volume on the left. So I'm gonna show you the SIM tray. So it's a dual SIM, not a hybrid SIM. You can use only 2 SIM with it. On the back you have the fingerprint scanner, your LED flash, and your dual camera. The camera on the back are 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel. On the front you have the 16 megapixel single camera with earpiece. So guys, this is the first boot up. Sorry. Powered by Android. You see that the glass back would look very nice. So let me remove this sticker so you can see it better. Meanwhile it's booting. Start. I'm gonna do that later. I agree. No thanks. Stability program. No thanks. No thanks. I'm gonna skip all the. Don't have any SIM at present, so I'm gonna skip that also. Copy. No, I don't want to copy anything. Set as a new. Gonna connect to my Wi-Fi. So yeah, it's connected to my Wi-Fi. You can see that this is the notch at the top and the bottom bezel are very less, which you can see by just let me go to some other screen where it will be. I'm gonna skip this also. Skip. Skip everything just to show you the next. I'm gonna skip the face unlock. Skip anyway. No thanks, everything is done, I guess. Yeah, so boot was pretty fast. Allow. You can see that the phone is set up. Let me show you the about phone menu. We have a 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Android version is 8.1. You can see that the audio is running. So guys, this was the pretty quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6. For more videos, keep on connecting to my channel, and you can see that I already have the update for OnePlus Oxygen OS. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe my channel if you like the video.